Watch this channel's videos, as all their videos garner over 100,000 views within 2 to 3 days. This is why this channel has gained over 153,000 subscribers by uploading just 50 videos. You might be wondering why their videos go so viral. What's the reason? Nowadays, every channel that creates a channel in this news industry grows in a similar way. As you can also watch this channel. This channel has also gained nearly 3 million subscribers by uploading just 375 videos, and their channels also receive a good number of views. So let's learn how to create videos like this, which grow so quickly. To create videos like this, first go to this project. In this method, we'll copy the idea generation project and paste it directly into the chat. This project will generate 10 unique and viral ideas for us. You can download all the prints I'll be using by clicking on the print link in the description of this video. So both methods are quick and perfect for finding viral ideas. Using these methods, you can get unlimited viral ideas from ChatGPT. Copy the script generation property and add it to ChatGPT. I'm asking for a 3- to 4- minute script here. If you want, you can cut it down and create an 8- to 10- minute script. Then simply enter this prompt. Upon entering ChatGPT will prompt you to send me the YouTube video title. Then I'll give it the title of my video. How to level up physically, mentally, and financially fast. Once you enter the title, ChatGPT will create a very engaging and interesting script for you in just a few seconds. There are many voice tools available these days, but if we want to give our voice a human feel, the best tool for this would be 11 Labs. All the news channels also use 11 Labs for their voiceovers. So first, we'll copy the script provided by ChatGPT. Then, search for 11 Labs in Chrome and go to the 11 Labs website and paste it into the text-to-speech tool. If your script exceeds 5,000 characters, you'll need to generate the voiceover in multiple parts, because all news channels thrive on their visual editing that engages the audience throughout the video and keeps viewers engaged until the end. To do this, will first generate the characters and then animate those characters. And there are many tools available for generating images, but we'll use the free tool Whisk&I, so let's get started. First, we'll copy the center prompt from the prompt box and paste it into ChatGPT. Then, copy the script and paste it into ChatGPT. Then, enter the prompt, and ChatGPT will create the center prompts one by one. Then, we'll search for center prompts in our ROM and go to its website. After logging in, we'll copy the 20K center prompt from that prompt box and paste it directly here. You can also modify this prompt to your liking. For example, I've made the character's clothing plain and dark. You could also crop it and give it a black hoodie. Keep the rest of the image style the same, and copy the description of ChatGPT's center prompt and paste it into this prompt. Then, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and enter this character Ale, and the tool will generate the image for you. If you don't like this image re-enter the character room, as your first image is going to be very important and will generate all subsequent images. I like this image very much, so I'll download it and delete the other bad images to keep our library clean. Now, let's use an interesting feature of Vi. We'll add the downloaded image to the subject file. The tool will analyze this image, and from now on, every image you generate will be generated with the same character. This will make your video look more natural and relatable. After doing this, delete all the character codes from here and copy the description of the other scenes from chat.gpt and paste them here. It will then start generating images based on that character. And before entering the print, be sure to check if the prices reference option is enabled. If it is, that's fine. If not, enable it. After enabling it, click Generate, and your image will begin generating. Now, in the same way, copy the description of the third scene. Then, cut and paste the description of the second scene into it. The tool will generate the image. Now, in the same way, generate all the images one by one according to your script. Download and save them to the gallery. Now, our image generation process is complete. Now, we will convert the images to video. For this, return to the print box. Here, you are given 2 different video generation prints. If the first print doesn't yield good results, you can try the second print. I will copy the second print from here. Now, to generate videos, I'm going to use Crux-I. Once logged into this tool, you can generate up to 20 videos daily for free. Click on Image here and upload your image. We won't use the default video format because it adds too much motion. This makes the videos look unappealing. So, I'll paste the video generation format I copied from the prompt box here and press enter. The generated video looks quite good. Before downloading it, click on the 3 dots, select the scale, click download, and follow the same process to convert all your images into videos. We now have our videos. Now, let's move on to the main point. Video editing, which is where the whole game of this niche begins. To retain viewers of this niche, you'll need to make your editing strong. So, hey, let's start editing. I'm going to use CPC for editing. If you don't have the Pro version of CPCTN, you can download the Pro version of CapCut from there by clicking on the Telegram link in the description of this video. Then, download and connect a VPN and open CPKT. Then, import all the videos you generated from GK into CPKT one by one. Select the CPCT watermark and delete it. Then, click on Add Audio and import the audio you generated from 11 Labs. After doing this, cut and delete any space in the audio so that the voice sounds clear and doesn't play intermittently. Now, add some background music and lower its volume so that it appears as if the music is playing in the background of the voice and the voice sounds clear. Then, reduce the volume of the audio in the video scenes to 0%. After doing this, click on Caption and then click Generate. Your caption will begin generating. Once the caption is generated, edit it to your liking. Then, add animation to the scene at certain points so that the video looks good when played. Finally, select 4K quality and export your video. I've explained this editing for beginners. You'll need to improve your editing yourself. To improve your editing, watch your Inish videos and try to emulate them. The better your editing, the more your video will appeal to your audience. Now you've learned to make videos. But to make them viral, you'll need to create a proper channel. I've created and grown a channel like this with other videos. You'll find a link to that video in the description below if you need any help.